New alert.
The following message is for the following county.
Flash flood warning.
North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, east central Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina until 3
Flash
p.m.
flood warning.
At 11:54 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams. Get your free credit. Highways, streets, and underpasses,
Damn it.
as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lumber, Nips, Taylorsville, Howesville, Warren, Delivery, Butters, Jerome, Hanson, and
800-368-4857.
Nope.
Rainfall will cause dangerous flooding, especially near creeks and streams, drainage ditches, and low-lying flood-prone areas. Turn around. Don't drown if you encounter a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep you away. Here are the 11 a.m. observations.